Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install CapCut on PC Windows 11. Whether you're using a laptop or desktop, follow along for a smooth installation process. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser. I'm using Chrome, but you can use any browser you like. In the address bar, go to the official CapCut website. Once you're on the CapCut website, you'll see an option to download. The website automatically detects your operating system and it will prepare the Windows download for you. When the download window pops up, choose where you'd like to save the installer. I'll be saving mine in the Downloads folder, but you can choose a different location if you prefer. Click Save and allow the installer to download. Now that the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the file. Locate the CapCut installation file and double-click on it to begin the installation process. When the installer launches, you'll need to agree to the user license agreement and privacy policy. The installation process will begin and it will take a few moments to complete. Once it's done, the installer will let you know. When the installation is complete, CapCut will check your system and make sure everything is optimized for your hardware. Another way to download CapCut is through the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store by clicking on the Store icon in your taskbar or by typing Store in the search bar. Once the Microsoft Store opens, go to the search bar and type CapCut, then press Enter. You'll see several options. Look for CapCut by ByteDance and click on it. Next, click on the Install button to start downloading CapCut. And there you have it. CapCut is now installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.